Hey, everybody, I'm 9 First Warning meteorologist Brandon Spinner. Happy Valentine's Day to you. The rest of your Valentines looking gorgeous. 52 degrees for a high temperature. We're looking at plenty of sunshine. Nothing not to love about today's forecast, but it does start to change the next several days. Clouds off towards our north and west, as well as our next system rolling in. It's going to be pushing in as we roll on into early parts of Thursday morning. Between now and then, clear skies, which will last overnight into early parts of Thursday, and then the low pressure system rolling in out of the plains will bring the potential for some showers later on in the morning Thursday and into the early afternoon. Cold front does pass through, and as it does, we will start to cool down a bit overnight and into Friday. Now, Friday, with high pressure coming through, we start off with sunshine, but there's some changes, and I'll get to that here in a second. Wind gusts throughout today, not too bad. By Thursday, it becomes an issue. South-southwesterly, 15 to 30 mile per hour winds, possibly as strong as 35. And then as we roll on into Thursday, that evening temperature starts to drop with northwest winds coming through, cooling us down. Let's jump into Friday. This is the big weather maker we'll have to watch through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Notice a lot of blue out there. That's snow coming through. We'll start to see this move in by midday. Most likely starting as rain with temperatures into the upper 30s and low 40s, but colder air on the backside of it starts to change that rain to snow. Don't be surprised with some snowfall later Friday afternoon and into the evening. How much? The big question we'll have to answer as we get closer. Does not look too likely that we'll see widespread heavy snowfall, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some sort of accumulation in some areas. It will be spotty, and remember, ground temperatures are still very warm because of the warm month of February we've had, so accumulation should stay minimalized, but wouldn't be surprised with maybe near an inch in some spots at this point in time. Big warm up the next 2 days, 52 and 54. Then we drop real quick into the weekend before warming back up in early parts next week, a high of 50 by Monday. Your weekend, as I mentioned, colder but dry. Saturday and Sunday, a bit breezy. Sunday is probably the windiest day of the bunch. Gusts up to 30, possibly 35 miles per hour. Behind that, above normal temperatures really start to ramp up for the first full week, the first 21st through the 27th. As far as today, we're 52 degrees, plenty of sunshine, warm and calm, and we're looking at that clear sky to continue overnight tonight. We're down to 36 degrees, not nearly as cold. It will be partly cloudy as we move on into tomorrow. Your skies are clouding up. We're looking at that temperature to climb up to 54 with a chance at some scattered showers to the north of the Ohio River, and that temperature will be aided by that wind gusting from the south. Your Super 9-day forecast showing 52, 54 the next 2 days. As we look ahead to Friday, that's the day to circle up on your calendar. We've got a chance at some rain changing to snow, colder air into the weekend. 42 Sunday, windy. Monday, President's Day. Some of those kiddos had the day off. Not a bad day. Even warmer for the middle of the next week, near 60 next Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day and stay safe.